We are now in part 3 of Desjardins chapter 12 on ethics of international business. I should say aspect 3. And we're going to discuss what sort of responsibilities there are to other countries in international business. And we're going to discuss minimalist and maximalist ethical approaches to international business. The question of the large international firm's possibility being a source of moral progress leads to the question of what kind of obligations a firm has to the country and the people with whom it is doing business. There is a minimalist and a maximalist approach with regard to this question. According to the minimalist approach, a firm doing business abroad should respect the basic liberties of persons and cause no harm. In other words, as a result of the firms doing business abroad, the situation for the people of that country should not become any worse. According to the maximalist approach, a firm doing business abroad should benefit, not merely not harm, the country and the people where it is doing business. Desjardins offers a thought-provoking argument in support of this position, based on the idea of a contract between the firm and the people of the country in which it is doing business. The basic thought is this: parties only enter into a contract or an exchange if they expect to benefit from it. So if one does business in other countries in such a way that there aren't really any benefits to those countries, it's like one would not be respecting that country's sovereign autonomy, by which it would only agree that we should be doing business there only if it is to the benefit of that country. We can see the above contract approach as Kantian. To respect rational decision making of persons as an end in itself is to respect that as contract participants, they would only choose to enter into a contract that would be of benefit to them. We can also recognize the minimalist approach as a version of the minimum morality social responsibility model, and the maximalist approach as would seem to be a version of the stakeholder social responsibility model.